All right, so my vegan long-haired guys, this video is for you. So when I was out in California for my convention, they had a brand that I have never heard of from before, and that was Kavella. So Kavella, their catchphrase is mindful, beautiful, and clean. This is a plant-based, and I think it's pretty much, yeah, it's vegan, plant-based and vegan hair care line with ingredients that are more naturally sourced, that are more conscious of the environment, while at the same time delivering professional quality results. And I was given this amazing 2-ounce sized bottle of defining cream, and this is a multitask styler that enhances blowouts or defines curls or waves. So this is almost like a built-in heat protectant. I have used this for curling, straightening, and air drying my hair, as well as on clients, and I absolutely love it. It coats the hair, but it doesn't leave a serious coating where your hair feels glued down and gross. It actually enhances the natural wave of it. It brings life back into your hair. Now, the one thing that I really like about this product is the smell of it. 9 times out of 10, when your clients are buying products in the salon, it's because they actually like the smell of it and the result. Those two go hand in hand. You can have a product that gives you a good result but doesn't smell good, and that usually doesn't sell as well because it's all about perception. And it almost smells like a gentle vanilla. It has like almost like a shea butter smell, but like a birthday cake vanilla one. It smells very similar to their moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. So the easy to follow directions is apply a light, even coat of cream from roots to ends, blow dry, diffuse, or air dry hair as desired. And it has aloe in this. So this is aloe based. And what the aloe does is it actually moisturizes the hair and it heals it. I do also want to give a special shout out to my friend Brooke, who left a comment on my Instagram when I did a Q&A about hair and skincare, and she asked about using aloe masks. So basically with aloe, it's a very soothing and healing ingredient. Like we drink aloe vera juice for our stomach. If you use aloe products for your skin and your hair, it actually moisturizes it and nourishes it without causing any irritation, or if you have a client that's very sensitive, aloe is usually a good product to try on them. So let me just shake this out. It's a little thick. You don't need much of this product to do a good job. I use a dime-sized amount. So what I'll do is I gently untangle my hair after I shampoo and condition it. I go like this, and then I use my fingertips first to just kind of smooth the root area down, because that's where I used to get a lot of frizz. And then I take my hands and I work the product in to the mid shaft and ends. There are so many ways to use this product. Don't just use mine. I do want to give you guys a pro tip. If you have hair like mine that is very thick and wavy, almost wiry, put this product in your hair and let it air dry. When you go outside, I know it sounds odd, but when you air dry it, it actually dries gentler and it looks shinier and more natural, as opposed to using the diffuser. Because sometimes when I use a diffuser, it either looks really nice or I end up looking like a poodle gone wrong. So I work it in like so, and it feels very rich, very creamy. You still get movability to your hair. It doesn't weigh it down completely, and that's what I really like about Kavella. And I just take my hands and I scrunch upwards. You can use this for all kinds of different styles. And look at that. Look at how nice the waves are. They're very gentle, very soft. It does not look super curly or overly wavy. It's a very natural looking wave, and it's a great product to enhance your hair. You can even take your finger sometimes and just wrap it around almost like you would a curling wand, and it gives you that nice look. So I always say do that if you want to just give it a gentle curl or a wave without having to use a lot of heat. And this is a great product for those that are looking into natural alternative products that don't require a lot of heat styling, or you're being more conscious about heat damage. So I'm going to come back when this is dry. I'm just going to talk a little bit more about Kavella. So I'll show you guys my finished style. All right, so this is the final result after using Kavella's Defining Cream. I am pretty impressed with it. Look at the shine, look at the color. It looks and feels very healthy. It has a lot of body to it and structure. The curls are absolutely popping, and look, they just spring. So this was no heat, just going outside when it was hot out, letting it air dry on its own. Took about 2 hours. So I thought this was pretty cool. I looked on their website and it says Kavella is a combination of Kavella meaning lotus flower and Bella meaning beautiful. Our products are formulated with high quality, safe ingredients for beautiful hair. They take the best of nature and they make it professional grade for great results. So I think that Kavella is definitely a product to use if you cater to clients who are vegan, especially the younger generation that is really all about being healthy. And it's a good product to incorporate for clients that have sensitive scalps that may have had a bad reaction to something else. They may not have it with products that are a little bit more organic and a little bit more natural. Clients that want low maintenance looks, it's a great product for. This is even really good for a lot of the fashion colors and reds because those two types of colors fade the quickest. And if you're using a product that will help to seal it in, or using low maintenance styling, the least damaging styling option, like this is air drying, this is a good option for them. Some people go into the salon, they don't want the full-on blowout. They'll say, oh, just like put some curly cream in my hair and send me out the door. It happens a lot in a lot of the hotter areas. I know when it was summertime, I went in to get my hair cut and I told them, I said, just leave my hair wavy. And I did it once in the winter, which is a mistake. I just blasted the heat in my car trying to dry it because you wanted a low style regimen that was low maintenance, not a low style, low maintenance regimen. Ooh, it's late. But Kavella was a wonderful company. I met the owner and people that were from it at California. And if you're watching this, you guys rock. Thank you so much for this. I had also purchased the case of travel-sized colored shampoos. So I'm going to try those out and I'll review those for you guys at a later date. But I do want to purchase more products from Kavella in the future because I am impressed with their styling products, the quality and the result. It's not one of those like products that is shown at like a veg fest and they claim to do all these things, but they end up being really harsh in the hair or they make your hair feel gross and coated. This actually does something that's positive. So let me know in the comments down below if you've tried Kavella. Post your favorite product down below or if you've tried the Kavella styling cream. So I'll see you guys soon and I'll be reviewing more Kavella in the future and I'll be talking about some different products coming up. So I hope you guys look forward to it.